COMPRECARES is a Velcro reusable washable compression garment designed to deliver accurate levels of prescribed therapeutic compression to manage chronic venous insufficiency edema, venous stasis ulcers, and lymphedema. The COMPRECARES Compression Kit makes it easy for a patient or caregiver to get accurate compression at home. The kit includes 2 liner socks used to deliver 10 to 15 millimeters of mercury compression therapy to the foot and ankle, a Velcro garment that can be adjusted to delivery compression of between 20 and 50 millimeters of mercury of compression therapy, and the AccuTap compression measuring system that guides the level of compression given by the garment. COMPRECARES should be removed for at least 1 hour every 12 hours. It can also be removed for bathing, sleeping, and necessary wound dressing changes as needed. Users should reassess and adjust the AccuTap placement on the garment when reapplying the garment to ensure the proper compression level is maintained. Experience COMPRECARES. Request a demo.